Sick of buying fresh herbs that turn slimy in 2 days? In 5 minutes, you'll be snipping basil and mint from your windowsill. And herb number 4 survives in low light. Stick around. If you want simple wins in your home garden, tap subscribe. No jargon, just results. We are counting down the 5 easiest indoor herbs, plus 3 pro tips that keep them alive. And a bonus at the end, the set and forget it system I use on busy weeks. 2 quick rules before we start. 1. Light matters. Aim for 6 hours. 2. Drainage matters. Pots with holes only. We'll fix low light in a minute. So starting our list with number 5. Thyme. It's a tough little shrub, loves bright light, hates wet feet, and just let that top inch dry, then water. And here's a hack. If you bottom water, set the pot in a bowl for 10 minutes so the roots sip from below. Next one, it practically grows back after every haircut. Parsley is slow at first, then boom, constant growth. Snip outer stems and it refills from the center. Spin the pot a quarter turn every week so it doesn't lean. No sunny window? Herb number 2 solves that, and it smells amazing. So here's a pro tip. Aim for 6+ hours of sun. North window, no problem. Use a small LED grow light. Even a clip-on works. And if you want totally hands-off, wait for the bonus. Chives are the easiest cut and come again herb. Snip leaves 2 inches above the base. They rebound fast. Divide crowded clumps and you get free plants. Here's a quick poll. What's your light situation? Type south or north in the comments. Use potting mix, not garden soil. Want extra safety? Mix in a bit of perlite. Those white puffs that keep soil airy so roots don't drown. Now for our second of the herbs. Mint is beginner proof. Bright, indirect light. Water when dry on top. One rule. Give mint its own pot. It spreads like crazy. For a hack, root a cutting in water, then pot it, and you'll have free mint forever. Herb number 1 tastes like summer, but needs 1 extra step indoors. Before we get to it, pro tip number 3. Most indoor herb deaths? Overwatering. Do the finger test. If the top inch is dry, water. If it's damp, wait. Remember, let it dry, then apply. And now for our number 1 herb, basil. It's the star. Pesto, pizza, all of it. It wants lots of light and hates cold drafts. Pinch above a pair of leaves to make 2 new stems. And avoid the chilly window at night. Move basil a foot back or add a light timer. Which one will you start with? Basil or mint? Tell me below. Have a busy week? Go set and forget. Systems like an VegoGarden handle light and watering for you. Drop in pods, harvest in weeks. I'll link my favorite VegoGarden in the description below. So here's a recap. Thyme, tough and likes to dry out. Parsley, harvest the outside, rotate weekly. Chives, cut at 2 inches, they rebound. Mint, own pot, root cuttings in water. Basil, lots of light, pinch tops. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for no stress gardening every week. Check the description for my VegoGarden affiliate link, plus a beginner grow light guide. I look forward to growing with you.